Have you ever been stuck with a frozen PS5 screen or a game that just won't load? If so, then you need to know how to access safe mode, your secret weapon for troubleshooting problems on your PlayStation 5. First, you need to completely power down your PS5. Press the power button on the console until the indicator light turns off. It should be a solid white, then blink, then completely go dark. Next, and this is important, unplug the power cord from the back of your console. Leave it unplugged for at least 30 seconds. This ensures a full power cycle. Now, plug the power cord back into enter safe mode. You'll need to press and hold the power button on the PS5. The power button is on the front of the console. Have your finger ready. Press and hold the power button. You'll first hear one beep, which likely means the system is booting up normally. Keep holding the power button down. You'll hear a second beep after about 7 seconds. This second beep is the cue that you've successfully entered safe mode. Once in safe mode, you'll have access to various troubleshooting options, like restarting the console, changing the video output, and even rebuilding your database. You'll need to use the power button and the controller connected via USB to navigate this menu. Be careful, as some options, like restoring factory settings or resetting the console, will completely wipe your storage. Safe mode is a powerful tool, but remember to use it cautiously and only when necessary. Knowing how to access safe mode can save you a lot of frustration when dealing with PS5 errors.